Come back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view transaction fees in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device. Now, log in using your credential. After that, navigate to the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to check the transaction fees. Tap on Send or Swap option to start the transaction. You may need to enter the recipient address and amount you wish to send or swap. As you proceed to next step, the app will display the transaction details including amount to be sent, recipient address and estimated transaction fee. Look for the section labeled transaction fee or gas fee. This will provide you with an estimate of fee associated with the transaction. Once you have reviewed the transaction detail and fees, you can confirm the transaction if everything looks correct. You can now view transaction fee in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet before completing your transaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.